Okay, hi guys. Today I'm going to be shooting this Pepsi bottle you see right there with, hold on, let me load up my gun. This gun that I had in last video. I have some extra 3 bullets sitting right there, not in my pocket this time. And I'm going to now shoot it. I don't want it to be really loud, so yes. It might be loud, so I might want to turn down the volume just in case. So here we go. I hit the camera. I keep missing. Okay, put these bullets in. I suck at shooting, so it's gonna get bad if I keep trying to be sucky. Got the power. Now let's see how many dents I put in it. Okay. I put dents in it. This is my bottle, can that I use all the time to shoot, so yeah. Let me get my bullets now, so I can shoot some more. I don't know. Okay. I need to find 2 more. I need to find 1 more. Oh, there we go. Okay. That's fast. Okay, here we go. I keep hitting the camera. Load up. I keep missing. Okay, so obviously I suck, and that's all I'm going to do. And I'm also going to show you a cool trick that I learned how to do with my gun. It has, hold on, this cop. No. Okay, so my gun, it has a secret pen hiding. So I clip it out. I have my 2 darts right here. And there's my 3rd dart right here. I gotta sneeze for a second. Hold on. Oh jeez. It's coming. Okay, I'm fine. Now, what I do with the bullet, so I have to find one I didn't already write on. I wrote on that one. Okay, this one should be fine. I wrote on that one. Wait, that's my favorite one. No, this one's my favorite one. Okay, anyways, I don't know why I have a favorite dart, but I'm going to write on this pen with this dart with this pen with that part. So, it's to send other messages. Ugh. I'm sick and I'm staying home from school today. Okay, I only wrote a tiny message on it, and it's right there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I wrote a message on there. All you can read is he's and then shh. And it's supposed to be saying he's shot. Right there. Anyways, how you get it done with is you get some, you get a paper towel wet, and you just dab it on it, and then just do that on it, and then it'll go away. Or you could just do this, which I don't like to do at all, and wipe. That was disgusting. Anyways, And that's all, so see you guys next time. Maybe my brother will post a video, maybe I will, you never know.